Read the ninth question, students. What is given? Read the ninth. A, B, and C, D are two parallel chords. They are on the same side or opposite side? All of you respond. Same side. So draw two chords on the same side, the smaller chord and the bigger chord. Bigger chord I'll take it as AB, smaller chord I'll take it as CD. What are the values? Can you tell me the values? One is 8 centimeter and the other one is 6 centimeter. And what is the distance between them? What is given here? If they are 1 centimeter, all of you will respond. What is the distance between them? One centimeter apart. They are 1 centimeter. So draw the diagram. A dot, students. A dot. What are the three things required in this exercise? You need a chord and you need radius, right? The red lines are radius. Red line will be equal. Next. And you need a perpendicular line. This line, perpendicular. O, O and L, O and M. So tell me the two triangles. What are the two triangles we need to consider? Any right angle triangle, students. OL, OAL. What's the other triangle? Tell me the second triangle, students. Second right angle triangle. OMC. Okay. If AB is 8 centimeter, what about AL, students? What should be the value of AL? 4. Next. Tell me the value of CM. If CD is 6 centimeter, CM should be 3. What is the distance between two chords? All of you respond. What is the distance between two chords? 1 centimeter. So this I'll take it as 1 centimeter. If this is 1 centimeter, what shall we take the value of O to L? Shall we take it as X? So what is the OL value, students? What is OL value? OL is X. Now tell me the entire value of OM. OM should be, what is OM value? OM is equals to OL plus LM. What is OL value? X plus 1. Is this clear? All of you understood? Respond. Did you understand or no? And what is AO? According to circle, what is AO? What is A and OC according to circle, not triangle? It is radius. So let's take R and R for both. That's it. We are done. We have to use Pythagoras theorem. First, complete this, students. Let me know whether you have understood or not. Read the question. All of you will go through the question once and see what I have written. I'll give you 2 minutes time. First, go through this. Don't start doing it. I'll explain. First, go through what I have written. Ninth question. Solve the ninth one. Okay, did you understand this diagram? Response, students. Okay, apply Pythagoras theorem and start solving. You'll get two equations. Look at the first triangle. What is Pythagoras theorem? AO square is equals to AL square plus OL square. R square. All of you will respond. Unmute the call. Unmute and respond. What is AL? 4 square plus What is OLDI? X square. Then R square is equals to what? 16 plus. Yeah, very simple question. Apply the Pythagoras for the next one. Tell me the direct answer. R square is equals to 3 square plus x plus 1 the whole square. For x plus 1 the whole square, apply a plus b the whole square, students. OC square is equals to CM square plus OM square. What is R square? 9 plus, apply a plus b the whole square here, x square plus 1 plus 2x. What is 9 plus 1? X plus x square plus 2x. Final equation. Got it? Can you see R square and R square is common to both? Is it common? Whenever you have values like this, write it together. So R square is equals to R square. Why R square is equals to R? What did I tell you all? Radius is same or different, students? Same. Radius will be same. So that is what I'm going to take. 16 plus x square is equals to 10 plus x square plus 2x. Shift all the like terms, variables to left hand side, constants to the right hand side. What do we get? Respond. X square, bring this minus x square. Next, minus 2x is equals to 10. What happens to 16? 10 minus 60. X square gets cancelled. Don't write. Listen here, students. Later you can copy. Minus 2x is equals to what's the value? Minus x is equals to final answer 3. Minus 6 divided by minus 2. Minus and minus will get cancelled. X is equals to 3. What do we need to find here? Radius, right? Can you see x is given in both the equation? Which equation is easy, students? First one or second one? Substitute. Substitute x. R square is equals to 16 plus 3 square. 16 plus what is 3? 3 square. R is equals to square root of 25. What's the answer? What is radius value? 5. Yes, now completed. Only thing is this 1 and x plus 1 concept you have to understand. Other than that, other things we have solved. 7th standard, 8th standard, that is what you were doing. Pythagoras theorem, simple linear equation. Only this part is a bit tricky. X plus 1 and x. Completed. Do it with the diagram, all of you. If you complete it, we do the next one. Okay. Next question. Yeah, from 7th, 8th onwards, everything is lengthy, students. It is not tough, bit lengthy to solve. Next question, ninth. Ninth is done, 10. PQR is an isosceles triangle. All of you will remember isosceles triangle? Property of isosceles? Okay. Let me draw a circle. In this circle, PQR is an isosceles triangle inscribed in a circle. In meaning is inside. Inscribed in a circle. It's inside a circle. So let me take PQR. P, Q and R. If PQ, which two sides are equal, students? Which two sides are equal here? Yes. PQ is equals to PR. 25 and 25. And QR is equals to how much? QR is 14. QR is, everything is a chord here. Calculate the radius. An isosceles is inscribed. Equilateral is inscribed. Okay. How do you find radius? Oh, that's the question. How do you find radius? See, in this line, you take P. An equilateral triangle of 9 centimeters is inscribed. Isosceles 25, 14. Just a minute. Students. 288 divided by 5. Do you have textbook with you all? Can you tell me the answer for the ninth one? Ninth. Which question is this? Sorry, 10th question. Yeah, tell me the 10th one, student. 13 centimeters. 576, 288. 288 minus 49. PR is 25, QR is 14. See, in this concept, if you take a triangle and if you draw a perpendicular, students, you draw perpendicular here. Wherever these three perpendiculars meet, that is the center. Okay, that's the center even for circle and the triangle. So if I keep a point here, I'll name it as O. This line, what do you call this line? With respect to circle, what do you call OQ? OQ is the radius. Okay, so in a triangle, if these 3 points are given, right angle, give me a minute. Fine. We'll use angle bisector concept. See, in this triangle, in the circle, there is a triangle inscribed, students. These are the two values. PQ is 25, PR is also 25, isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, take down the property for isosceles triangle, PQR. When two sides are equal, 25 and 25, which two angles are equal here? Tell me the angles. Which are the opposite angles, students? Angle Q and angle R. So the other point, whichever is not equal, from that vertex draw a straight line. This will definitely bisect, draw a straight line, this will bisect the triangle into two halves. If QR is 14, what about Q? I'll name this as M. What about QM, students? QM should be 7 and MR should be 7 centimeter. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, which value are we getting? PM value, right? You get PM value. Next, in this, and from here you are draw center. First draw this, students. Find the value of PM, draw a straight line. This is the concept of isosceles triangle. Draw a straight line. This straight line you can name it as PM. PQ is already given. PM or PO, anything is fine. See, the length of PR is 14. This straight line is always 90 degree. A 90 degree will touch M. So QM is 7, MR is 7. Find the value of PM, all of you. All of you got the value of Rm? What is Rm? Sorry, Pm students. What is Pm after applying Pythagoras theorem? PQ square. Respond. PQ square is equals to Pm square plus Qm square. We have two right angle triangles. Take any one right angle. 25 square is equals to 7 square plus Pm square. What is the value of Pm students? 25 square minus 7 square is 625 minus. So that is, yeah, what is the square root of 576? 24. Again, it's a very lengthy question. Lengthy and bit tough. You should understand this concept. Okay, now what I'll do, all of you got 24, Pm is equals to 24 centimeters. Now look, I'll draw a circle. It has a center, student, center. If I draw a triangle on top of this, if I draw a triangle here, this is the center. O is the center. From center, if I touch this, what do you call this line? What do you call these lines? From circle point of view. From circle point of view, we call it as radius, right? We call it as radius. Now that is what I'm going to do. PM, keep this calculation aside. For this circle and for the circle, there is a center here. Center. Now, whatever PM I drew, that was on top of this circle. This PM passed through this circle. From this circle, O. From this circle O, what is OP, students? OP is what? Isn't it radius? What about OQ? Radius. Anything from center which touches the circle, what do you call OR? All three are radius. All three are R, students. R. Right? Even OP is also R. Now, how do you find OM value? See, in the entire length PM, isn't it a right angle triangle? PM is right angle. So I'll just take a separate one like this. Just a minute. Hello? Yeah, tell me the value of PM, students. All of you found the value of PM. What is PM? Before, I've just taken this line. We need to find radius here. I've just taken this part O M R. You can take OMR or OMQ. Anything is fine. Okay. Look at this PM line. PM. There is O here. I've just taken OM. What is OR? All of you respond. What is OR? Radius. I'll keep it as R. What is MR value? What is MR? 7. If I want to find OM, what is the entire value of PM, students? What is PM? That what is MP? Sorry, OP. What is OP? No, OP. OP. Yeah, correct. OP is how much? Radius. Then what will be the value of MO? MO is equals to 24 minus. Why you are telling 12? From where did you get the 12? It is not R. Who's telling 12? It is not 12, students. 24 minus R. 24 minus R. Okay, let me teach all again. A circle. In this, what is the triangle? A circle will have a center, right? From center, if you touch this, what do you call these lines? All three are radius. Now, what kind of diagram is drawn inside the circle? What kind of triangle? Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle given? PQ. No, no. PQ. 10th question. PQR, right? Okay. PQR. What are the values? PQ and PR is 25 each. PQR. PQ is 25. What about PR? And QR is 24, 25, 14. Now, this center will have a circle will have a center, student. Center. Now, what we'll do? From the center, from P center, we'll draw a straight line. If you draw a straight line, it passes through the center. What is the angle formed here? 90 degrees. And what shall we name that? Shall we name it as M? M. The M reason is this is also a midpoint. This straight line will split this into two parts. This is only for isosceles triangle. Remember, only for isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, whenever you draw a straight line, it will split the base into two halves. Therefore, what is QM value? 7. And what is MR? 7. Now, using this concept, let us find PM. Apply Pythagoras theorem and find PM value. All of you found PM. One more thing what I'll do, I'll connect these two lines, Q to this center. What do we also call these lines, students? O to P, what do you call? R. O to Q, R. What about O to R? That is also radius. Okay, in order to find radius, we need smaller triangle. What's the triangle we need? Can you tell me? Smaller right hand triangle, OM, capital R. What is MR value? 7. What is OR? R. Do we know what is OM value? We don't know OM. Now observe this line, PM. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, for which triangle shall we apply Pythagoras theorem, students? PM and Q. Shall we apply Pythagoras theorem? 7. What is PQ value? 25. This is where you all applied Pythagoras theorem and got the value of PM. What is PM? 24. I'll make it as a flat line. PM is equals to 24. If PM is 24, O is on that line. O. What is the value from O to P? What do you call this line from O to P? Radius. Then what will be the value from M to O? If you haven't understood, let me write 20. Very good. And I'll give it as 10. This is 10 centimeters, students. What is the value of OM? Yes. 24 minus 10 you get 14. So greater is 24 minus what is the smaller value? 10. Here we don't have 10. So what will be the value of OM? 24 minus 1. Is this clear or any doubts? Total I split this into three parts, students. One isosceles concept, one more Pythagoras theorem, then this PM concept. So I'll look here, I'll convert PMO. We need PM OM value. So entire PM is 24. In that OP is R. This entire thing is 24. So just OM value. What is OM? All of you will respond. OM should be 24 minus R. Can I take the 24 minus R here? Is this clear? Only till here it is tough, students. After this, apply Pythagoras theorem, we'll find the value of R. First complete it till here. All of you will complete it. Whatever I've written, write all these things. And these two straight lines are for reference. Then draw the separate triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem. See, I've showed this line calculation, PM. If you haven't understood, draw it as a flat line. Flat line, you'll have an idea. Done, students. All of you are completed. Shall I erase this? What kind of triangle is this? Isosceles or right angle? What kind of triangle? Isn't it isosceles? Yeah, in isosceles, there will be a center. From that center, you draw a right angle, straight line, PM. Apply Pythagoras theorem. You'll get PM 24. And I've taken a separate triangle. Now let us apply Pythagoras theorem for this. Tell me the Pythagoras theorem. OR square is equals to OM square plus, yes, MR or RM square. I think last year they got this kind of question. So this is important, students. Yeah, isosceles and even right angle. I think right angle is also given. 10th one is isosceles. 11th is also, yeah, equilateral. Last year students got equilateral. I think equilateral triangle. For all three, it's the same concept. Nothing different. For all three, remember, same concept. Okay, now let us solve this. What is OR? R square. What is OM? 24 minus R the whole square. What is RM? 7 square. R square. Apply A plus B the whole square, students. What is A plus B the whole square? 20. A square plus B square minus 2AB. What is minus 2AB? 2 into 24 into R plus 49. R square. What is 24 square? 5. 576. Isn't it 576? 576. Minus. What is 24 into 2? Plus 49. Shift all the variables to one side. R square. What happens to plus R square? Is equals to 576. Find the value of R, all of you. All of you understood how to solve? The only thing is this triangle, students, triangle concept. But if you have understood that inside a triangle, isosceles triangle, you get a straight line. This concept is easy to do. Completed. We'll try the right angle next. R square. Okay, next one last. Remaining we'll do it tomorrow. R square gets cancelled. What's the value? 625 divided by, sorry, not 625. How come 624? Add properly. 6 plus 9, Abigail. 49, Abigail. 9 plus 6, 625. 625 divided by 40. Do you have textbook with you all students? I think are we getting a mixed fraction? Correct. 13. What's the value we're getting? 13.02. 13.02. What have they asked us to find here? All of you read once. 10th question. Calculate radius to the nearest centimeter. So 13.02, write it as 13 centimeters. Calculate later, students. I'll explain the 11th one. Another 5 minutes, we'll end the class. You all have to do it for homework. Anya, you got an idea how to solve? 1 to 7 questions. Go through the first recording. It is very simple. From 7th onwards, it all are lengthy questions, but 1 to 7 questions are easy. And main thing, you all should know how to draw parallel chord and opposite chord, students. Whether the chord is on the same side, opposite side, X, which one to take X, which one is R. All these are important rules. Yes, Parvati. Fine. Get back soon. We'll do the next one. Done. Shall we do the next one? Yeah. 625 divided by 48. Divide it later, students. Complete it later. Kia, did you understand? Island, Kia, Dia, Delicia. Is Delicia online? Okay, last one. For homework, complete this one, students. I'll erase it. We'll try the next one. Same question, only thing the values are different. All of you will respond in a right angle triangle. Sorry, in a circle. What kind of triangle is drawn? 11th one. Isosceles triangle. ABC, right? ABC. Always try to keep the same angles on the opposite side, students. Don't draw it on the bottom. Tell me the opposite sides. What are the angles? AB is equals to AC. Right? What is BC value? 24. Now tell me all the steps, whatever we did. 24, find the radius of the circle. BC is 24. Tell me all the steps. First, what thing we need to do? If center is given, from vertex you have to draw straight line and you have to name it as M. Any alphabet. If BC is 24, what about BM? 12. What is the value of OA? According to circle, what do you call OA? R. What about OB? OC is also R. Which triangle we need to find radius? Tell me which triangle is required. Tell me the bottom triangle. OMC. In OMC, what is MC value? 12. OC is R. We need to find OM, right? OM. If in order to find OM, apply Pythagoras theorem for which triangle? AM. Very good. 12. 12 root 5. We need to find the value of AM. Yes. Be quick. Complete it. Apply Pythagoras theorem, students. Complete it. Hello. Okay. Fine. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Is Bhargavi online? Okay. Apply Pythagoras theorem, students. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse. Opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. AC square is equals to AM square plus MC square. Twelve root 5 the whole square is 12 into 12 into root 5 the whole square. That is 144 into 5. How much is 12 root 5 the whole square, students? Is it 720? Okay. AM is equals to, what is AM? Square root of 720 minus 144. 720 minus 576. Okay, I'll give the direct answer. What is square root of 576? 24. Very good. All of you got AM as 24. Look, I've done the calculation, students. 24. Till here, is it clear? Now, can you all tell me this value? Look at this line. Observe this line and tell me, students. What is AM entire value? 24. What is AM value? 24. In that, what is OA? What is OA? R. Then what will be the value of OM? That is what we are going to take here. Right? Next, what you have to do, apply Pythagoras theorem for this and find the value of R. Is it clear? Step by step, understood how to solve? Island, Bhargavi, Dia, Delicia. So we have solved 2 questions based on this. Okay, whoever is left, Anya, Kia, that. Try this for homework and send it to me, students. I'll check. Make a note. This is only 11th one, Kia. 11th. Last part is for homework. 11th or 10th, which one is this? 11th one. 12th one is also the same, equilateral triangle. Whoever wants can try that. Draw equilateral triangle, use the same concept. What is the property of equilateral triangle? All three sides will be 9. Okay, try that, students. If you try and get that equilateral right, that is the toughest question. Okay, complete this. Don't do that now. Complete it for homework. Just make a note of the diagram. Whatever you have done, just copy all this. Done. Okay, how do you all do your homework, students? Homework and test. Yes, there are two types, right? One is hard work and one more is smart work. Which one do you all follow? Hard work or smart work? What is hard work and smart work? Respond anyone. Tell me, what do you all follow while studying? All of you all. Abigail, Delicia, Dia, Eileen. Hard work or smart work, students? Both. What is hard work and smart work here? Hard work is what? Hard work is hard work. After yes, after AI, most of the students started to use smart work. 90%. Smart work is nothing but copying, students. Literally copying from which one? From AI, internet. Are answers available? You put any question, AI will give you the answer, right? So that is not even smart work. Literally, it is copying. So which one do you all follow during test and homework? All of you told smart work, right? Huh? I heard most of them telling smart work. Delicia, both. Huh? Okay. See, smart work only for project, it is fine, students. It doesn't even consider smart work. Literally, it is copying. Fine, just for the purpose, just for the sake of sending it. And one more thing, smart work is like copying. This will help only for project, not for your exam. You copy from AI, from your friends. That is only for project. Okay. So hard work is the best thing, solution. You have to practice a lot, attend classes regularly, don't try to copy. That is the meaning of hard work. You go through all the formulas, you have to practice. After maths class, practice at least for 15-20 minutes. Okay, so never try to copy and send it, or take, I'll easily figure it out. If you'll copy from internet, their solution will be different, and whatever I've taught, it is totally different. Okay, if you're getting it wrong, no problem, but I want you all to do it on your own and send it. Is it clear? Fine, students. Complete and send it. Attend at the same time. What time? 6:30 tomorrow. 7:30. Yeah, 7:30. All can leave.